Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for, it's actually a challenge that I'm doing over at Spiegel Mom Scraps, and it's my sketch challenge that is in their group for National Scrapbooking Day. I don't have my collection, my kit yet, so I wanted to still do my sketch and kind of have it up in the beginning of the month, because I'm waiting for that kit to come in so then I can be able to, you know, do all the things that I do for a design team. So Sarah wasn't sure what to do for the last, you know, for like the last challenge in the group because they wanted 3. Just to have something small because, you know, National Scrapbooking Day is very, 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 it's just too much. It's just a lot and it's just too much. And you got to scale down on what you're doing. So I said, hey, I can make a sketch. It's pretty easy to do, you know, for me. So I was like, if you guys don't mind, I can hit the sketch. And they're like, yeah, that's perfect. So I decided to do a sketch and I am going to recreate it. I will put it up here, I will put it up here, and then I will link the group down below for Spiegel Mom Scraps to where you can partake in this. It is going all the way until the end of the month of May 2023. So go ahead. Now, I will tell you that it is, obviously, you follow the sketch and you need a sequence mix. This sequence mix matches with this photo play collection that is called Cupid Sweetheart, because I found this photo and I thought it was Josh's birthday photo. And instead, I realized that this was Valentine's Day after he got back from Kuwait. So this was February 2022. So I was like, oh, well, that'll be perfect because in the Scrap Room's flavor of the kit in February, I had photo plays Cupid Sweetheart. So that is what collection I'm using. Well, it matches really, really well this hummingbird collection from Spiegel Mom Scraps. Now, I searched on their website. It's not available. That's why I was a little hesitant of using this, but you guys know how the sequin mixes go. When they're out, and everything is always new. The main ones are up and running to go. You can go ahead and grab those, and then just check everything else. And I will tell you that if you use Miranda 15 in the discount, and you will get 15% off, because my code is still working from when I was originally on their team a while back when I first started my YouTube channel, and I'm excited to be back. Like, I am super stoked to be back. So let's go ahead and see how my layout turns out. Okay, so here I go. My camera has some new settings and I'm working with them, so I'm sorry if this is a little bit brighter than normal. I have to work around with it. For some reason, that's just, I'm working with it. So this paper actually is more of a peachy color that matches everything for photo play. I changed it out because I'm going to be using these frames that are in the packet of ephemera pack that I got. Now, like I said, the way I'm going to work this with the sketch that's up above is in the background of the sketch that I made. The bottom will have their base, and then the top part will have more of the mixed mediums and things like that. So I don't spread the floral portion of my embellishments all the way across, but you'll see how I'm working this. And like I said, I'm still working on these on my camera. My camera got an update and it messed with a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie, like, it messed up with a lot of things, and it's making it so difficult to try to get it fixed correctly. So on this particular layout, I am super sorry that you are kind of seeing this back and forth stuff. But once I start to get the colors down, it lightens up and it'll be a lot better. So just bear with it in that regards. So I am going to come in with 2 different types of distress oxides. The first distress oxide that you see me working with right there is called Abandoned Coral. Now, I am doing very much a dry mixed medium. And what I'm going to do is that for my background to this, because I put mixed media behind my photo in the sketch, I am going to do that here. And that is what I'm doing. I am going in and I'm making it as dark as I want to. And then I am coming in with my black splatters because you guys know I love my black splatters. Black or white splatters. And then my little circles to make it look like coffee rings. Because that's just, you know, awesome sauce. And then when you add water to this particular paint, these paint sticks, you know, I love them. I do a lot with them. The paint sticks, when you put a little bit of water, it dries like almost gray. So that's what I did there, just to add a little bit more of a different color of my mix wet, dry, medium. Okay, and then I wanted to back up my photo with some foam tape. And I wanted to put a little bit of layers around it because you guys know I love my layering. But I wanted to still let you guys still see, and the layout in itself, my mixed media background. So I'm still going to let this dry up on top here a little bit because I am going to come in with another color. So I'll start over on this side and I'm trying to keep everything. And then I realized I'm like, nope, I want this more on this side so that it's kind of like a diagonal from one corner to the top. So I have realized that my camera does not like white. That is what's wrong with this photo or this layout. Is that the white is making it so like bright. I will have to go in and fix the white space going forward. So bear with my videos here for a little bit because I got to make sure that I get the settings straight because they just, you know, it is what it is. So I wanted to fill in this truck with a bunch of hearts, and it's got like the conversational ones and then the regular hearts just to fill in the back part of that. And then I will add some sequins at the end. So now here I come in with the next one. Now, I know on camera you're probably being like, Miranda, you can't see it. I promise you, in the still shots and in the video itself or in the layout itself, you can see what I'm doing. So I come in with saltwater taffy. I wanted that little bit of mixed media just to look a little bit different. And if you're wondering where I got that little, I guess, star and circle stencil, it is from Close to My Heart. And that's what I'm using there. And then I place down, I do not back the square, like the framing at all. I put it flat down so it's flat so that my photo and the word love, which is the big title, pull out that bigger, you know, that dimension that way. So here I am, I'm placing down all of it because I have learned my lesson that ATG and Distress Oxides do not mix. You have to use wet glue or otherwise it will not stick. It will come off. I will give you that tidbit that I have found, unless for some odd reason it's my glue, but I doubt it. It does not like ATG. So here I am. I'm just placing down all of my little bits and bobs here of my sections. And then I finish out. You'll see me kind of go around and put my little embellishments on the side here because I do have that rainbow that was on top of the big title. I am placing that there, but instead I'm doing a jar like I'm doing here. And then I do put this angel, and I back the angel. You can't see it on camera, and I'm so sorry, but the still shots you'll be able to see. The angel, I do back up the wings and the head up on some foam tape just so that it adds. And now I'm coming in with the sequins. Like I said, the sequence that I am using is unfortunately no longer available. It is the hummingbird, but it matches this collection really well, and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to use it on this. And so I'm putting 3 little dots in certain spots, and then I'm splattering them around. And I made sure in my still shots that you can really see the sequence mixes that I did use and how it matches really well with this collection. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. If you're coming from any part of Spiegel Mom Scraps, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Hit that subscribe button because I do upload quite a bit and I use her sequence a lot. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.